You promise yourself just 5 more minutes. 20 minutes later, you're watching a raccoon drive a shopping cart. What happened? Why can't you just stop scrolling? It's not because you're lazy. It's because your brain is being hacked. Every time you scroll, your brain releases a little hit of dopamine, the chemical of anticipation. But here's the twist. It's not the content that gives you dopamine. It's the possibility of what comes next. Your brain goes, maybe the next video will be funny. Maybe the next one will be better. That's the same mechanism slot machines use. Every swipe is like pulling a lever, and every maybe keeps you hooked. Over time, your brain starts expecting constant stimulation. Normal life feels too slow, too quiet. That's why sitting still feels uncomfortable. Your brain's dopamine system has been trained for instant wins. You're not addicted to your phone. You're addicted to the chase. So, how do you break the loop? Start by changing the reward pattern. Redirect your dopamine. Give it something real, something that takes effort and pays off. Try exercising, learning something new, or hanging out with friends. Your brain still gets the dopamine hit, but this time you earned it. And when you scroll, scroll consciously. Decide how long before you start, not after. The point isn't to quit, it's to take back control. Your brain loves rewards, it just forgot who's supposed to be in charge. So the next time you can't stop scrolling, remember, it's not weakness, it's wiring. Comment below with your best method to resist scrolling. Let's see what works for you.